Hello, welcome to my 5 Minutes Live from California with Love, and welcome to my page on my YouTube channel, VHEN Bautista, aka Chino Romero. Please subscribe. Requested by Manitet Mindo, and happy birthday to Marieta Capero sa lahat naman sa celebrate ng kanilang mga karawan. Happy birthday! It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I could never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me if ever fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking out loud. But when you hold me near, you drown out the crowd. Old Mr. Webster could never define what's being said between your heart and mine. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hands as you catch me wherever I fall. Yeah, you say it best when you say nothing at all. The smile on your face, the truth in your eyes, the touch of your hand saying you'll never leave me. The smile on your face, the truth in your eyes, the touch of your hand saying you'll never leave me. Nothing at all. When you say nothing at all. Nothing at all. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Sang mangsulok kayo ng mundo naroon. Thank you po. At lagi kayong narito.